Jaws, Big Shark, Little Boat, A Book of Opposites by Jeff Smith, illustrated by Casey Smith. Welcome to the little town of Amity Island. People come here to swim, boat, and have fun in the sun. Today there's a special visitor in the water, a very big great white shark. Everyone is having fun in the water, but then someone sees a shark fin. Everyone runs out of the water. Staying on the beach will be just fine. Wait, that's not a shark. It's two kids playing a joke with a fake fin. A man in a rowboat sees the real shark. Row, row, row your boat as quickly as you can. Police Chief Brody is afraid of the water. He wants to stay dry. Matt Hooper is a scientist who knows that you have to get wet to find sharks. Uh-oh, this shark seems to have very pointy teeth. Hooper and Brody head out to sea with Quint the fisherman. Quint climbs up the mast to look for the shark. Brody stays down on the deck. Suddenly, the shark bursts out of the water. It is very, very big. The boat suddenly seems very, very small. "You're gonna need a bigger boat," Brody tells Quint. Hooper leans over the water and watches the waves. Where did that shark go? The shark swims deep under the water. There's the shark. It swims very fast. The boat chugs after it, but it's too slow. Hooper wants a closer look at the big shark. He gets inside a cage and goes in the water. The shark is outside the cage, and Hooper hopes it stays there. That night, the shark circles the boat. It is very quiet. Chasing sharks is hard work. Quint, Hooper, and Brody stop to rest and sing a loud song. Even big sharks get tired. The shark is ready to head home. It's time to say goodbye to Brody, Hooper, Quint, and Amity Island. Let's return to the front of the book just in case. The shark comes back. The end.